Most people spend their entire lives working hard, saving diligently, and doing everything they can to prepare for the future. But even after all of that effort, many still wonder, am I truly ready for retirement or early retirement? Maybe you felt that way too. Maybe you've asked yourself whether market volatility could derail your plans, or whether your money will last as long as you need it to, or if the legacy you want to leave will actually reach the people you love. You shouldn't have to guess, and you definitely shouldn't have to navigate these decisions alone. I understand how overwhelming planning for financial milestones can feel. For many years, I've helped people just like you create a plan that supports their lifestyle today and their legacy tomorrow. My approach is to be clear, transparent, and long-term thinking. Because when you understand your plan, you can move forward with confidence. I didn't start my career expecting to become a financial planner, but after experiencing biased advice firsthand, I realized something important. People deserve guidance that puts their best interests first. That experience shaped my mission to help you gain true financial stewardship. Today, I guide clients through the complexity of their finances so they never have to feel overwhelmed or alone again. My mission is simple, to help you feel completely in control of your financial future. Everything I do is designed to give you clarity, confidence, and a plan that supports your retirement lifestyle, your long-term goals, the legacy you want to leave, and your ability to turn your intentions into prosperity. Here's how we make it easy. Step 1, schedule a conversation. We'll talk about your goals, concerns, and what matters most to you. Step 2, build your personalized plan. I'll create a clear, actionable roadmap for your retirement and beyond. Step number 3, live with confidence. You'll move forward knowing your finances, lifestyle, and legacy are protected. Imagine feeling confident instead of uncertain, in control instead of overwhelmed, prepared instead of guessing. You'll know exactly where you stand and what steps to take next. You'll have a plan that supports your lifestyle and your legacy for tomorrow. If you're ready to feel confident about your financial future, let's talk. Schedule your consultation and start building the retirement and legacy you deserve.